Hello everybody and welcome back to the StonBrothers weekly tutorial. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to turn your 24-piece snake cube into an elephant. Also, I wanted to quickly mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. More information on that in the description and at the end of this video. Alright, let's get right into it. So the first step in making your 24-piece snake cube into an elephant is to get it completely straight. After this, we're going to count 1, 2, and we're going to bend it twice. This is the trunk of the elephant. Keeping the trunk completely vertical, we're going to bend this one out. Then we're going to count 1, 2, and rotate this whole length right here down. Okay, keeping this still vertical, we're going to count 1, 2, and then bend everything out like that. Now we're going to count 1, 2 again, and then bend everything out like that. See, we're making one side of its head, or like the ears that elephants have. Okay, now kind of going to the top, but still keeping this vertical, we are going to bend all of this inward, counting 1, 2, bending all of it inward. Okay, now we're going to join this one with this one, and we can do that by counting 1, 2, 3, and rotating this, like all of this, down to your right. Now we're going to count 1, 2, and then rotate this so that it comes together. And we're almost making the snake puzzle ball, but we're just making it a portion of it for the elephant's head. Now we're going to kind of do the same thing that we did on this side over on this side. So counting 1, 2, we're going to bend all of this down. And now what we're going to do is kind of join this one with this one, I think. So counting 1, 2, we're going to bend it back. Okay, so this is the trunk, this is the head so far, and then we're going to bend this one out like this so that it can join up with this one right here. It's a little bit hard. This is a higher level difficulty, but you should be able to get it. Then we're going to rotate this chunk right here close together. Okay, the trunk is still out here, and so if you want to see that again, I can spin it around. It might be confusing, but it closes in like that, okay? So with the trunk like this and the ears like that, we're just gonna bend this one right here down, okay? So now we have the trunk, ears, and this is gonna be the body right here. What we do now is count 1, 2, 3, and bend that one twice, okay? This is the final step, or this is the final few steps. We're gonna count 1, 2, bend that twice. Then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and then bend that one twice. Once we're done with that, we're going to count 1, 2, and then bend that one twice. Then what you're going to do is count 1, 2, 3, bend that one twice. And then you're going to count 1, 2, and bend this one twice. All right, that is it. You have your elephant.
Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you guys out. And if it did, go ahead and check out our channel, StonBrothers. Skillshare is a service that allows you to access over 18,000 professional courses for a small monthly price. But because you are a viewer of this video and of this channel, we are offering an extended 2-month free trial to this service to you. It's in a link in the description down below. Not only do you get all of those courses from design to photography to technology and to marketing for free, you also get access to the audience of over 3 million people who are growing and learning just like you. It's a really good opportunity, and you would also be supporting the channel to making more awesome tutorials like these by clicking the link down below, as it is a sponsorship. Try it out for yourself, 2 months free, cancel anytime you like. You can literally cancel the next day that you start it. It doesn't matter. It just helps us out either way. Also, your brain will thank you. Thanks for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you in another one.